Hey, can I be real with you for just a minute? You know, you've been grinding it all at your job for years, right? Showing up early, staying late, taking on projects, hitting deadlines. You've worked hard. You do your best. But for some reason, the promotions, the pay raises, and the recognition, they just don't seem to come. And I'm guessing right. I'm guessing right. You're probably watching people with less experience, less talent, and less drive move up the career ladder while you stay stuck. And it's not because you're not good at your job. It's not because you don't work hard enough. It's because you don't have a plan. You don't have a strategy. You don't have a way to get seen, to get noticed, a way to be promoted. You know, I recently had a good friend come to me not long ago, and he was stuck in the same position for 17 years. 17. He worked his tail off, handled his projects, even picked up the slack when his coworkers fell behind, but every single promotion passed him by. He felt like his talent was trapped behind an invisible wall, and he couldn't figure out how to break through. So I sat him down, told him the truth. It's not your talent that's the problem. It's your positioning. And that's when everything changed for him. I showed him a simple 5-step plan, a 5-step strategy, a blueprint, if you will, to become unstuck and become unstoppable, to finally get seen, to be positioned as the leader that he really was. You know what? He did it. He went out and got promoted. And now I want to show you exactly how he did it. I'm putting together a special challenge called the Unstuck and Unstoppable Challenge. It's a step-by-step actionable roadmap that's designed to help you break free from middle management and finally step into the role you deserve. Get that promotion. You know, it's a challenge to get promoted, to get paid, to be seen. And so that's why we want to include in this particular program how to position yourself so that the obvious choice for promotion is you. The secret to building strategic influence without feeling fake or forced. How to create a plan so clear you'll know exactly what to do every single week so that you can move up. Listen, you worked hard for too long to stay stuck. This is your time. If you're ready to take control of your career, if you're really ready to be seen, to be respected, to be rewarded, then I want you in this challenge. This is your opportunity to make the career leap you've been waiting for. Are you ready? Let's make you unstuck and unstoppable. I'll see you in the challenge.